Namaste and welcome to the Queen's Curry Kitchen. Today we are making a very popular, earthy, delicious dal recipe which can also double up as a soup. For this recipe we are going to need 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of cumin. In a pan, take hot oil and saute the cumin seeds, the onion and the garlic till the onion is light brown in color. Saute gently and keep a close eye on it. We are not trying to burn them. To this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of canned tomato puree and saute till the oil separates from the mixture. Now let's just jump really quickly into how to prep the dal. This is 1 cup of brown lentils soaked in 4 cups of water. Wash it, rinse it and soak it in 4 cups of water. For this recipe, we are going to need some salt to taste. Add that to your Instapot. Also add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or paprika, whatever you prefer, and also 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Give it a good stir and keep a close eye on it because we don't want our spices to burn. If you see your mixture sticking to the bottom of the Instapot, feel free to add a little bit of water just to help to deglaze the pan a little bit. Now add the soaked lentils with all the 4 cups of water that you had used to soak the lentils. Add some cilantro just for color and some taste and give it a good stir. Finally, add your favorite curry powder, just about half a teaspoon or as much as your palate can handle, and stir it in. Cover the lid with the vent on sealing mode and choose the bean setting on your Instapot. Hit start and wait for the magic to happen. Once the process is done and you've done a natural pressure release or an NPR, open it up, give it a stir, and voila, you have the best tasting, yummylicious, best delicious one-pot dal ready to be served either over rice or with naan bread, or then you can throw in your favorite spinach bundle or chopped vegetables and make a total soup or a total meal out of this dish. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and that you will certainly give it a try. If you want to take a class with me and want to learn how we make these everyday simple vegan dishes, feel free to join me by sending me an email at queenscurrykitchen@gmail.com. You can check out our website for all the class offerings, www.queenscurrykitchen.com. Classes for beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. You can order all these wonderful spices on our online shop through our website, www.queenscurrykitchen.com, or download a copy of the Vegan Indian Home and cook these dishes in your home. Until next time, namaste, be blissful, be flavorful, and have yourself a great meal ahead. I will see you soon in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can stay in touch and you'll always know what's cooking in the Queen's Curry Kitchen.